Twinkle little star.
Twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are.
Up above the clouds so high.
Like a diamond in the sky.
Uh-oh. Be nice to the little puppy.
Good to go. Squirrel. I'm on the couch.
On the couch?
On the couch. And take a picture of me.
And take a picture of you? Okay, go to the couch. No, I'll take Nanny. You go. You go. I'll take Nanny to you.
Come on, go. Dad, put Nanny in here.
No, I'm not going to put her in a plastic bag.
Please. Put Nanny in here.
Get on the couch.
I put Nanny in the bag.
No, don't put it in the bag. Sit down and get. You going to hold Nanny or not?
Yes. That's in here. Oh, Nanny's in here. Nanny, don't get in here.
No, don't put Nanny in the bag.
Please, Mommy.
Don't put her in there because she's can't breathe. All right, all right. Hold the camera. Here. Put Nanny in the bag.
Okay, Nanny now. Nanny's in the bag now. Okay, Nanny now. And then let go. Let her go.
No, just hold it like that. Don't hurt her. Just hold it like that. There, like this. Don't spin her.
Hello, Minnie, I'm dying live.
Sing a song.
Minnie, I'm lying in the Bobby song. You can in my song. Oh, Auntie Grandma's that's the baby song. Oh, Mika night, Mika night, and I love Bobby.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. I love you and making me a happy face.
Okay, thank you, everybody.
I love you, everybody.
Say bye-bye.